Essays form a crucial component in the ISP application. Well articulated essays not only increase the chances of an interview invite, but also ensure that the applicants are able to defend themselves better during the interview. This video discusses the essay topics for the application for the ISP PGP 2027-28 cohort. Essay 1 is on leadership. The prompt is: what unique experiences have shaped who you are? What have these experiences taught you about leadership and the kind of leader you aspire to be? Through this essay, ISP has handed over a broad canvas to the applicants. Start the essay by introducing who you are as a person. This is equivalent to breaking the ice with the evaluator of your essay. Narrate significant influences that have shaped up your personality. This requires self-reflection into your growing up years. For instance, if your dad was in a transferable job, you would have changed cities, schools, and friends every few years, shaping you into a very adaptable and amenable person. If you are from a business background, you would have witnessed the vagaries that any business has to endure, enhancing your risk taking abilities. If you were in a boarding school or had working parents, independence comes quick and easy. If you were a part of NCC in school or are from an army background, discipline becomes your forte. If you were the eldest sibling, responsibility comes naturally to you. The essay prompt specifically asks about leadership experiences. Any person's leadership experiences would broadly fall into two categories: exhibiting leadership and witnessing leadership. Let us start with exhibiting leadership. Applicants with lesser work experience might not have had any chance to formally lead teams at work. However, formal authority is a very narrow and restricted view to associate leadership experiences with. A person's leadership potential is best exhibited in the ability to influence others, even without any formal authority. So, introspect such instances in your life. This could be the informal leadership that you assumed in a group project set up in college, a position of responsibility that you assumed as part of your college fest, or a sports team that you led in school. Now let us come to witnessing leadership. All of us come across people who rub us off in a good way. The compassionate teacher in school who was always willing to go out of her way to help students with their academics. The super enthusiastic friend in college who had the ability to always inspire fellow students to contribute to an endeavor. Or the empathetic supervisor at work who is willing to stay after office hours to just slog it out with the subordinates. These experiences might have firmed up your own views on the kind of leader you aspire to be. Narrate such instances in this essay. Essay 2 is basically the goals essay. The prompt is: what intellectual experiences have influenced your approach to learning and have led you to pursue an MBA? Please describe using anecdotes from your own experiences. Why MBA is what this essay prompt is essentially asking you. This essay is best addressed along three major points. First, what you have done in life so far, primarily on the professional and academic front. Second, what you want to do in future. Third, how does MBA fit into the scheme of things? Clearly, there are some experiences, attributes, and interests that you already have. This is your past. You have aspirations in life. You hope these aspirations to become your future. What is currently holding you back from realizing your aspirations? This is where MBA comes into picture. Essay 3 is a diversity essay. The prompt is: share with us any intellectual pursuits, unique perspectives, or experiences that you pursued that have shaped your worldview, your growth through these pursuits, and how they could potentially contribute to our learning community. This essay is essentially asking: how would your peer group at ISP benefit from your presence? Peer learning is a crucial component of the ISP PGP experience. Hence, applicants should consider mapping their personal experiences, academic experiences, work experiences, and extracurricular to their contribution to peer learning at ISB. For instance, your academic or professional background in a discipline such as marketing, finance, or operations would directly enable you to bring real life experiences in the corresponding discipline to classroom discussions and case studies. Life at ISB is not just about academics. There is a thriving life outside of classrooms as well. So, your personal background, your extracurricular, and your hobbies can also contribute to the vibrant ISB community. Note that while Essay 3 is an optional essay, we suggest that applicants treat it as a mandatory essay and attempt it. We wish you good luck and hope that your ISB dream becomes your future.